User-defined columns in the Spread Results, Allocations and Nominations windows. User-defined columns are an extremely powerful analytical and informational categorization feature, and they are now available in the Spread Nominations, Spread Results, and Spread Allocations windows. The addition of these fields in these windows means that you are able to take the categorizations that you've applied in the cost schedule windows and use them when manipulating the spread calculation, bringing consistency between two major components of your project. Added or removed user-defined columns are immediately updated in all windows. Updated values are automatically updated in the Spread Allocations, in the Spread Nominations, and Spread Results when the information in the window is refreshed. This is just one of the many customization features that makes expert estimation both powerful and user-friendly. With this consistency of information, you can identify and mark specific items for a distinct purpose or intention that can then be applied quickly and easily down the track. Alternatively, the columns can represent notes that would be relevant at the spread calculation stage of the project. For information on user-defined columns in application windows, see the knowledge base article below this video. If you have any further questions, we'd love to hear from you. Contact us on our 24/7 support number or via email. We're always happy to help you with ways to improve your workflows and efficiency and help make your estimating faster and more accurate. We look forward to hearing from you.